You should paint it. And I don't like it.
Oh, no, I like this color.
No, I mean, but like paint like something on it.
Oh, your eyes look freaky.
I thought Mustangs usually had like crosses or something on them.
We'll have to take it in the sunlight tomorrow and get some good pictures so you can send it to your friends.
Hopefully the...
I texted Morgan and told her.
What? Hopefully the excitement...
Not before, though. Like, right when you came out here. I said,
I gotta send like a mass email to everybody I know.
What? To who?
Everybody I know.
Thank you.
Everyone that I'm
we're taking this card back.
Everyone that I'm acquainted with.
Yeah, for every time you say that, when you do get your license, you get a week.
What?
You get a week grounded from the car every time you say that.
Okay.
Alright, let's do one good. One good to Zoom, because she's